Hello everybody, Meowth here. Today we're gonna play Squid game. Alright, let's get started. Alright, come on. Yes, yeah. Alright. We done it, baby. Yeah, I got cash. Alright. Oh, that's that. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright. Oh, come on, dude! I thought it was not that glass. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, guys, I'm back. Right. Come on. Come on, dude! That's not cut off. That's stupid. Okay. I remember. I saw it. This side. Come on. That side. Oh, come on, dude. I thought it was that side. Gotta do it again. Alright. Okay. That side. Okay. I think I remember it now. Alright. Okay, this side. Oh, come on, man. Again. I gotta do better. I gotta do better. Alright, that's that. Okay, I remember it now. Alright. That's... Come on, man. Yeah, I think you have to go straight. Okay, guys. I can't make it. Goodbye. See you next one.